You will love this little countryside private home with lots of ornamental trees and a large manicured lot. This home has 4 bedrooms with a downstairs bedroom with a little sitting area and a closet. Easy access from the garage to the downstairs laundry area. The master bedroom is very nice and walks out to the upper deck overlooking the Wet Weather Creek and lots of lovely trees and landscape. The living room is very nicely updated with nice laminate floors and beautiful wood beams in the ceiling. Hurry to view this one today.